Brush the solder paste evenly on the PCB board. It has high-speed, high-precision, flexible pick-and-place machine. Optimum speed 39,000. Best conditions under our company. Each head is equipped with an independent Z-axis motor. To achieve it has capable picking components, simultaneously improve mounting efficiency. Frame grinding platform. The whole machine weighs 1,600. High speed does not shake its body. It's stable and reliable. Auto nozzle changer. 37 sets nozzle library. Different types of nozzles can be preset to meet the mounting needs of different components. PCB support device. It can support the PCB to prevent the mounting quality from being defected when the PCB is large or thin. Check the effect of PCB board mounting. Precise mounting, good effect. Thank you for watching.